Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing a little fun challenge. It's not gonna be a project for today's episode, and today we're gonna do a little fun project for you guys to find out capabilities of AI. We're gonna looking with lots of AI tools and doing competitions with them and what they're capable of. And I'm also gonna be rating 1 to 10, and you guys also have to rate 1 to 10 and see what fits for you and your journey into coding and things. And by the way, AI helped me lots in my past years in coding. And yeah, let's get into it. So let's start by using ChatGPT, one of the number one cool and popular AI models. It's not AI agent like we create these days, but it's actually very smart. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at every tool and rate them to 1 to 10. And I believe ChatGPT is going to be very good at this. Okay, hopefully it's very good for you guys and there's also one of the most oldest ones which has more data into it and more smart into it. And luckily the new GPT-5 has released, and I'm just going to use ChatGPT 5 right here. This is the free plan for every AI, so I'm not gonna do the premium plan for those kind of things. I'm gonna be using the free plan and what good at those free plans and what you should select. So I want to see every tool of ChatGPT. I'm gonna also do that for the other AI models. I want to start with Think Longer because I believe that's like very helpful for people in coding and experience very big debugging into it, and it takes a very long but actually very perfect what do you call answers and things. So I'm just gonna write a question is like for our following projects and things. What what are the best AI agents that are helpful for the world? Helpful for the world. Okay, I'm gonna enter that. And if you see, it's thinking. I can also skip, but I want to see how the AI model GPT-5 thinks. This is GPT-5 think model, and it's actually very smart if you look at this. And wow, it's actually searching the web by itself. Like I'm not doing anything. I just select think, and wow, it's searching lots of websites and things. And GPT is like not bad. Like look how much websites searching. Like lots of and lots of. It might build up very good AI and data model into it. It gets double the power and smart. And look at this. Look at this. Top AI agents initiatives doing real world good. AlphaFold actually provides what I'm asking. Like I'm not asking for big paragraph of those kind of things. I'm asking for each type of model. And it's actually true. Like if it web searches it, it might be true. Like I know, let's try it out. AlphaFold. Wow, this is the documents. I think this is the one. Wow, look at this. AlphaFold, excellent accelerating breakthroughs in biology with AI. I wonder what this is. And wow, amazing this GPT. I can use that, but that's not why I'm here for. I'm here to rate these things. So I believe thinking probably 9 out of 10. Maybe could use some extra helpful information, like yeah, like more helpful, like tell me what each tool or capability they have, so I have very good things to do within that AI model. They just gave me like Microsoft Sparrow at it, and then one I use for help. This is not what I am looking for. This is what I'm looking for, but not this. I'm looking for like more to help me into finding which one is good. Because I just don't want to go to every single website and see which one's good. I want the AI to tell me what this is good. So I'm gonna give thinking for 9 out of 10. Very good thinking and searching like it's owned by itself, like agentic AI. It's more powerful than AI agents. But I believe I give this think power of GPT-5 a 9 out of 10. And by the way, I'm gonna rate all these tools and then rate the full capacity and the whole thing how it's good at. So let's start by using web search. That's the next tool that came out of GPT. And let's just search about the web. Maybe like how come Elon Musk become rich. I don't know this question, neither do anyone, but I think GPT-5 might know it and search the web like it's doing, like I told it. And wow, it provided images of us, of this Elon Musk. It's nice. And then it tells us the early hustle, the Tesla, the SpaceX, XAI, and the boring company, which is funny. And then look at this, the wealth breakdown for each of them. And it looks like XAI is gonna be the most one that has been giving him lots of money. We're gonna be using XAI later on. And yeah, and it's not bad and it provides us a video. It's cool, right? I believe this is what I'm looking for everything. I'll give um web search full 10 out of 10. It's very hopeful with images and videos. And look at this world breakdown for this year. It doesn't do any other year. So that's going to be a 10 out of 10 for GPT-5 search. The next one we might do is probably create images. Okay, we have lots of tools, which is very cool. And there's lots of themes I like, but I most likely cyberpunk, but I'm not gonna put that in there. I'm just gonna ask provide provide a small thumbnail of AI agent that are smart. This is not a video, but I just why not for an image. It does take a long time, not long time like a few seconds or minutes, but it's actually creating a good image. And for the free plan, you can only create 3 images per month, but these images are high quality. So that's how good they are. And if you like, for example, want to create, I don't know, look at that, it just turned its shape to the thumbnail I'm looking for a phone. It knows what I'm asking. And it's taking a bit of a while, but it's actually taking its time. It's also thinking while creating this image, and I'll be there when it's finished creating the image, and I'll show you guys how cool ChatGPT is.
A few moments later.
It's nearly finished, and look at that. AI agent with this tool. It doesn't look very good because I didn't select a theme for it, a style for it. But for example, I say make this image this style. You just go into it, and usually activity activated detected from your device. It's because sometimes ChatGPT makes some mistakes, like everyone does, and sometimes it says this because there's lots of reasons it can be. But if, for example, I do create an image in a cyberpunk aesthetic, it might do a better version. But I don't think ChatGPT goes right into the image. Sometimes it just goes like this. So I'm gonna give ChatGPT like a 6 out of 10 because it just did this error and it's very annoying. Let me just retry it. Yeah, see, it's not working. So I'm gonna give that 6 out of 10 for GPT-5 image generation. And I think it can do better, but I'm just gonna do the one nail thing. You know what I mean? So the next thing that has came is deep research. And if you look at my previous video, I have created deep research AI agent. It's similar, but like more tools I provided. I believe this is smart and tool. Mine's like a tool and a little smart, but like this is like full smart, like doing them. Get a detailed report of full life of Elon Musk, 0 to 44, I think, to now age without any missing. Okay, I'll just put this full life of Elon Musk 0 now. Get a detailed report. Yes, I want that. Let me click yes. Okay, and this is great. Starting the research, bang, bang, bang. I'm going into the research, and it'll take like a long time, I believe. It's right there. I can see the sources if I like, and the activity it's doing. It'll take like a long time, like a very, very long, but like not too long. It's like a decent amount of time, like 2, 3 minutes. But it's actually very detailed. You don't need to search the web anymore. It's that powerful, ChatGPT. So it is worth waiting 3 minutes for a fully detailed research of what I just said, which is Elon Musk full life. And I'll be there when it's just finished. And this is the. It took now like 1 minute, and this is what it did. Very cool. It researched lots of websites, and it's also thinking. Like if you noticed, see thinking, and I see the sources, and look, it looked 3 sources in here, 7 sources in Britannic. Let's just find, I don't know, Britannic. I want to see a sweet new year. Okay, and then I just search Elon Musk because that's what the AI did. Okay, Elon Musk, this dude. Yeah, and it's just reading all these videos and files, which is very, very cool to see. And it's still researching and is thinking with the researched items and see searching. Very good. It might take another 2, 3 minutes, and I'll see you when then. And guys, I forgot to tell you this, but I am creating a playlist for each AI. So this video is going to be ChatGPT. I'll create more videos throughout this week until all AI is been finished. So just stay tuned for other AI and capabilities for them. And at the end, I'll create a review for all these AIs. Thank you. And it takes a few more minutes to research.
A few moments later.
It looks like it is finished and it did 9 minutes. And but very good and quality research. Very good and very quality data for me, but I don't think I will rather wait for 9 minutes to just look at this whole big paragraph. I know it's very good, but like 9 minutes is just nuts. I don't think that's like very long. Hopefully they can shorten the time for that, but otherwise all goods. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10. It's very good quality, but not like what I'm not so long, very long. And I don't like very long times. I don't think anyone likes long times for looking a very growth of Elon Musk. So that's like 8 out of 10. I'll give it. And the next tool we're gonna be using is Canvas, right here. This is writer code and is actually very useful for people to create websites. And underscore examples to create chat interface. Oopsies, caps. Create a chat interface. Dark themed. and recreate that. It says the same thing again. It's okay. Let me just create a new file. It sometimes happens, see. Sometimes happen. Create a chat interface in dark theme. Hopefully this one works. Okay, so it does work this time. And it says all the code I can copy, I can edit. Now you can ask, so if I click edit, this canvas cool thing will come. And I can click on this and I can edit by ChatGPT. I can show you guys, and I can click preview and see what my website has been created. So now it just give us the full thing. Okay, look at this. I can record video, fix bugs, add logs, and add comments. But I want to see the website. So I click on preview, and the website is turning. And look at that. I can keep asking ChatGPT to change the header and things, but it's okay. I can do code review and send that. Okay, right there. See, look at that. Very cool. It's taking. I've added comments suggesting to improve mainability. Let's see any comments. Look at that comments. Look at this. I can apply. I can apply all of them. Let's see. When I applied them, what income or cool things that happened, what it changed for my website. I just told them, which is a create a chat interface in dark themed. Like it's literally giving me suggestions. I'm not telling it. It's giving me suggestions to accept if I like it to. And I want to see what kind of cool things it just came up with. So it just been coding. I click preview, and it's cool. But like when I click on it, look, it just add that, and it's cool. And then we have port to a language. I can add a different language into it. I like PHP. Click send into that. I'm turning this whole code into PHP. Look at that. The PHP. Look at this. It's very smart and I can do it. But we can't run the file for other things. Creating websites. It only has the preview button and also the run button for other codings. And yeah, looks like it is finished. Oopsie, my bad. Looks like it is finished, and that's how Canvas is actually very good in web development to see, and then you can quick edit into it, which is very cool. I just showed you the demo right there of that Canva thing. Is actually very, very cool, and people mostly use that often to use that. Last but not least tool for GPT-5, and it's very new lately. It is study and learn. It doesn't just give me the answer, it tells me how to study and do this. That's the main thing it just says to us. So let's say, how come 2x plus y equal? I just gave a random question. How come 2x plus y equal? Okay, it's gonna take a few seconds, not like researching, it's actually taking very more quick. Hey, look, an equation 2x, but it didn't finish it. Can you tell me what equals like it is or something else? Then I can show you the steps by how to solve it. Okay, so it gave me some important details because it doesn't know how it is. It just gave me 10 because it can be 10. And that's how study and learn is. I can add images if I like. I don't know, like, I don't know. Maths questions? Questions? I can do any questions. Wow, what is this? Okay, I'm going to use this dude to give me an image of it. Okay, and look at that. Fractions. Let me just copy this image, this text. We know the answer is 3/4, but we'll see if this person knows what I'm telling. Yeah, same thing. So, but it actually works. Okay, and it has been helpful for lots of students. and also me to study my maths and things. I'll give this because it has a little error. I'll give it one mark down, but I'll give it a 10 out of 10 if it doesn't do this detective from your device thing. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Very useful for people. Number one, like for me to study and learn, for everyone else also. Nice play, ChatGPT. Very nice play. And that's it for the whole ChatGPT thing. We can see the voice thing. It's gonna be cool. If you guys want to watch it, I'm gonna do it right now. Hey ChatGPT.
Hey there, how's it going? Let me know what you need help with, and I'm here to help out.
Yeah, cool. And how can I? What are AI agents and what are AI agentic AI and what is the difference?
Great questions. So, AI agents are basically systems that can perform
Okay, and
tasks
before we read
autonomously,
the question
often
for it,
making
it's
decisions or
actually very
interacting with
smart. I can
users based on
transfer it
data and
very quickly,
algorithms. They can range from simple
and I can just
chatbots
click
to
on top of
complex.
here and I can
Hey,
change it.
I'm ready to hit the ground running. So, hey, how's it going?
Lots
I'm
of
looking.
different
Hi,
voice I can
glad to
use.
meet you.
Hey there.
And yeah,
I've got a real
initiative,
if it anything
adapt
to
to new
use,
situations, and
it's
potentially
cool.
even learn and
And
evolve.
that is AI for ChatGPT. Thanks for all watching Pixel Agent, and I'll see you in the next playlist. Bye!